Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to solve this quadratic equation. And we solve this quadratic equation by using a three different method. So first method is by factorization, and the second method is by completing square, and the third method is by quadratic formula. So we learn these three methods in this video. So let's start. We apply the first method, factorization, in the above quadratic equation. So the equation is a x square plus 7 times x plus 12 is equal to 0. So in this method, look at this middle value. This is the coefficient of this middle value is a 7, and the coefficient of a first and last term is a 1, and this is a 12. If we multiply the coefficient of first term, which is a 1, and the coefficient of last term, which is a 12, then we get a 12. So in this method, we split this 7 into two numbers such that if we multiply these two numbers, then we get a 12. And if we add and subtract these two numbers, then we get a 7. So these two numbers are 4 and 3. If we multiply 4 and 3, then we get a 12, and if we add, then we get a 7. So we write this as a plus 4 times x plus 3 times x. This is a plus 12, it's equal to 0. Now look at this first two term. We find a common factor, which is a x. So we factor out x. So the first term will become a x plus the second term will become a 4. And now look at this last two term. We find the common factor, which is a 3 plus 3. So now look at this for this term. This will become a x plus the last term will become a 4. It's equal to 0. And in the next step, we write this as a x plus 3 multiply x plus 4. It's equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Subtract a 3 on both sides, we get x is equal to minus 3. Look at this, subtract a 4 on both sides, we get x is equals to minus 4. And this is our final solution. So we get a two value of x, which is a minus 3 and minus 4. Now we solve this quadratic equation by completing square. By completing square. For this, we write the quadratic equation again. X square plus 7 times x plus 12 is equal to 0. And in this method, we shift the constant number to right hand side. So this is a x square plus 7 times x. For this, we subtract a 12 on both sides, then we get it's equal to minus 12. So in the next step, we use identity, which is a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times product of ab. So in the next step, we want to write this left hand side in this format. So for this is a x square plus, we write this 7 times x as a 2 multiply 7 over 2 and x. To match this is a 2a and b. It's equal to minus 12. In this step, we just write this 7 times x as a 2 into 7 over 2 multiply x. Now in the next step, we write this as a x square plus 2 x multiply 7 over 2, it's equal to minus 12. We just interchange these two values. So now look at this. This is a 2, this is a and this is a b. So we need a b square, which is a 7 over 2. For this, in the next step, we add b square, which means we add a b is a 7 over 2, in this case b square on both sides. So add this 7 over 2 on this side and also add a 7 over 2 raised to the power 2 on this side. Now focus on this identity a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. This is a same x square plus b square plus 2 times a and b. So we write this side as a x plus 7 over 2 whole square. This is equal to minus 12 plus 7 over 2 whole square. This is equal to 49 over 4. And in the next step, we take a LCM. So this is a 4 minus, this will become a 48 plus this is a 49. This is equal to x plus 7 over 2 whole square. So in the next step, this side is a minus 48 plus 1. This is equal to 1 over 4. And this is a x plus 7 over 2 whole square. Now in the next step, we take a square root on both sides of this equation. So this square and square root will cancel. We just get a x plus 7 over 2 and square root 1 over 4, it's equal to plus minus 1 over 2. So in the next step, we split this value. So x plus 7 over 2, it's equal to plus 1 over 2, and x plus 7 over 2, this is equal to minus 1 over 2. In the next step, we subtract a 7 over 2 on both sides of this equation. So this is a x is equal to 1 over 2 minus 7 over 2, and take a LCM. So we write 2 over 1 minus 7, and 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6 over 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So this is a x is equal to minus 3. So it's a one answer of x. Look at this. We subtract a 7 over 2 on both sides. So we get x is equals to minus 1 over 2 and minus 7 over 2. Take LCM. So we get a minus 1 minus 7 over 2. Minus 1 and minus 7. This is equal to minus 8 over 2. It's equal to x. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So it's a minus 4. The second answer. And in the last step, we solve this same quadratic equation by a quadratic formula. So we know that the formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. Now what is a? A is the coefficient of x square, which is 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is a 7. And c is a constant, which is a 12. And we just substitute this value in the formula, then we get the answer of x. So x is equals to b is a 7 plus minus b square will become a 49 minus 4, a is a 1 and c is a 12 over 2a is a 1. So this is a minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 4 ones are 4. Multiply this 4 by 12, we get a 48 over 2 ones are 2. So this is a minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 48 is a 1 over 2. 1 square, it is equal to 1. So this is a minus 7 plus minus 1 over 2. So in the next step, we split this value. So x is equals to minus 7 plus 1 over 2, and x is equals to minus 7 minus 1 over 2. So this will become a minus 7 plus 1 is 6 minus 6 over 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So we get x is equals to minus 3. So this is the one answer. Now look at this. Minus 7 and minus 1 is minus 8 over 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So we get our x is equals to minus 4. This is our second answer. So we have done, and in this video we learned three different methods to solve a quadratic equation.